Have you ever stopped to consider the power of gratitude and how it shapes your reality? Gratitude goes far beyond a mere thank you. It's a profound appreciation for the miracles of life, large and small, that alters our perception of the world. It's a mindset, a lens through which we view our experiences, a way of life. Imagine if, instead of focusing on what's wrong, you started counting your blessings. How would that change your perspective? Gratitude, you see, has the power to shift our focus from what our lives lack to the abundance that is already present. The benefits of cultivating this attitude are manifold. It improves our mental health, reducing stress and anxiety. It strengthens our relationships, fostering empathy and reducing aggression. It even amplifies our happiness, making us feel more positive emotions. Gratitude, therefore, becomes an essential tool in creating the life we desire. So, how does gratitude link with the laws of assumption? Well, let's take a step back and first understand what these laws of assumption are. Essentially, these are principles suggesting that our reality is shaped by our beliefs and expectations. It's as if our mind is an artist, painting the canvas of our life with the colors of our thoughts and emotions. Imagine you're holding a paintbrush, and every stroke you make is a belief or an expectation. If you're constantly painting with dark, gloomy colors, those of negativity and pessimism, then your canvas, your reality, is likely to reflect the same. However, if you choose to paint with vibrant, warm colors, those of positivity and optimism, your reality will mirror this positivity. Now, how does gratitude fit into this picture? Well, gratitude is like that vibrant, warm color that we choose to paint our reality with. When we are grateful, we assume positivity and abundance. We hold an optimistic outlook towards life and radiate a sense of contentment. Let's take an example. Suppose you're stuck in a traffic jam, running late for an important meeting. You can either grumble about the situation, painting your reality with shades of frustration, or you can choose to be grateful. Grateful for having a car, for having a job, for the music playing on your radio. This gratitude, this positive outlook, will color your reality differently. You may find that you arrive just in time, or even if you're late, your boss is understanding. This is how the laws of assumption work. They take the colors of our thoughts and emotions and paint our reality with them. And when we fill our palette with gratitude, we set ourselves up for a reality filled with positivity and abundance. Remember, the laws of assumption are like the laws of gravity. They're always in effect, whether we acknowledge them or not. So why not harness their power to our advantage? By being grateful, we set the stage for the laws of assumption to work in our favor. Now that we understand the power of gratitude and its connection with the laws of assumption, how can we cultivate it? Cultivating gratitude is as simple as it is profound. One of the most effective ways is maintaining a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. They can be as grand as a promotion at work or as simple as a smile from a stranger. This act of writing fosters a pattern of positivity in your mind. Another method is practicing mindfulness. This means being fully present in the moment, appreciating the here and now. This practice allows you to recognize and appreciate the small blessings that you might otherwise overlook. Finally, don't hesitate to express your appreciation to others. A simple thank you can go a long way in fostering gratitude in your life and theirs. Remember, consistency and sincerity are key in all these practices. Remember, gratitude is not a one-time act, but a lifestyle change. Are you ready to transform your life with the power of gratitude? Let's put this into action with a 30-day gratitude challenge. This is your chance to implement the tips we've discussed and truly experience the transformative power of gratitude. Over the next month, make it a daily ritual to pause, reflect, and write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be as simple as a warm cup of coffee or as profound as a loved one's laughter. The key is to genuinely feel the gratitude in your heart. In addition, remember to express gratitude outwardly. Share your appreciation with others. Offer a compliment, say thank you, or simply smile. These small acts of kindness can have a big impact. As you go through this journey, you'll start to notice subtle changes in your life. You'll feel happier, more content, and more connected with the world around you. Embrace the power of gratitude and watch as your world transforms before your eyes.